whatever one is leaking.
About the batteries leaking and stuff.
Yeah, every single battery is leaking at this point, and we're going to neutralize all the acid in the battery, then replace the batteries and clean up the terminals.
And what kind of warranty is going to be on the new batteries?
18 months Interstate batteries. You can get them done anywhere Loves or anywhere sells Interstate.
Okay, and what's the cold cranking amps on it?
950, same as you got in there.
Okay, 950. So, all right, and we're going to have an 18-month warranty, man. Just tired of this, you know. So we're going to do it right at the Loves, and they're going to do it. They're going to take care of us, man. We're even lucky, you know. They really took care of us here, and we're finally going to get this problem fixed right. Thank you very much, man. Here's the new batteries here. Gonna have a receipt, warranty, so they're gonna honor it. That's how it goes, man. Just tired of messing with this stuff. Here's the specs. Nice. That's it. They're working on it now, and we'll check up on them. They're going to use baking soda and all that good stuff, man. Get on out. Yeah. All right. Gotta trust them, and they'll take care of it. And again, 18-month warranty at any Loves or Interstate, and we got a receipt for it, so they'll take care of it. Just like I said, just tired of having issues. I had to get the truck jumped twice today. It was parked and it was just idle, and it shouldn't be. It should be charging correctly and stuff, and it's not. So, you know, this is money eyes closed, man. I'm just tired. I'm losing sleep. I get scared it's not going to start in the morning, and I'll run it at night, wasting fuel. So the money it burned, you know, I won't have to burn anymore. And so the new power plants here, these new 950 cold cranking amps, Interstates, they're going to save fuel money because I won't have to idle it to charge the batteries to make it. So this is going to be peaceful. And since the summer's coming, I don't like to idle at night. I like to have the windows open here, as you can see, both my windows, and I get a cool breeze and stuff. So it's really smart investment right now. We've had a bad last few months. We put, oh my God, about 3 weeks ago, we put about $5K just in the front end, new tires, alignment, brakes on one side, changed the hub bearings in there, the hubcaps on the outside, the inner seals. You know, it's just gotta do it. And like I said, I like to have these windows open. And what I'm gonna do for the summer, I know there's a fan right here, is get those little screens that you can put on so you can crack your windows open without the bugs coming inside at night and stay nice and cool. But you can't be next to other trucks, or you're gonna inhale their fumes and stuff. So they got us covered over here, guys. We'll check back and show you this is the right way. You got to reach in your pocket. You don't be cheap and be changing one battery. You know, you need 4. You change them all together, and you know what you got. You know what you got. All right, guys. Let the guy work here, and I'll give you an update, man. Again, let's take one more last look at these batteries. Again, they're matching batteries. And they're Interstate 950 cold cranking amps. That's what we got. That's the model 31-MHDs 950 cold cranking amps. So we're good, and they're brand new. No factory blends, none of that bullshit. All right, guys, look at the dates right here. 3/25. They're March, man. March. Okay, March. Okay, in March. So. They're not even a month old, guys. That's how you do it, man. You know, you get what you pay for. You want to pay cheap or get the cheaper batteries, the lower cold cranking amps, you're going to have problems. Tell them we're doing it right? All right. They're going to leave the light on for us, you know? All right, God bless, man.